Hello, this is Heather from ZY Paging Printing. Today, let's talk about international trade terms. There are a list of incoterms. You only need to understand these 5: EXW, FOB, CRF, DDU, and DDP. The product price quoted in EXW term is just the product cost, and the supplier didn't offer any shipping or exporting service. FOB is short for free on board. Supplier pays all the cost to deliver products to a seaport or airport in China. You need to find your own freight forwarders to book the vessel for you and to pick up cargo at the port. The CRF terms means the supplier will find a freight forwarder for you and take charge the goods from his warehouse from China to the seaport or airport in your country. For the DDU and DDP terms, the supplier will find a freight forwarder to deliver the goods all the way from the factory to your specific address, including all the charges. The only difference between these two terms is whether the supplier needs to pay the import duty for you. This is the whole content of this video. Follow us, like us, and learn more about paper packaging. See you in the next video. Bye!